Hey guys, today I'm going to give you a demo on the Siegetek dual sector gear and spring spacers. Here is the dual sector gear. Now what you need to make sure of is that your last piston push-out tooth is made of metal, otherwise it will strip in seconds. As you can see, this piston does not have that, and therefore it's stripped, and I let it strip for the sake of the video. Here is an SHS 7-tooth piston. As you can see, even that doesn't have a metal push-off tooth, so therefore you cannot use that piston and it'd be a waste of time, so get a 15-tooth. Here is the regular and a dual sector gear. The regular gear holds the piston all the way back and then releases it. (18:1). Now the dual sector gear does 2 piston strokes for 1 regular sector spin. So there is stroke 1 coming around again for the stroke 2. It doesn't take the entire piston back, but you don't need that. Now, as long as you get these spring spacers, that will be fine. You can put them on the spring guide or in the piston itself, and you can use this with short stroking as well. I suggest using 5 or 6 spacers for a dual sector gear. You can use an M170 spring, but this just makes it easy to work with. So there's most of the stuff you could use to know about the dual sector gear. Thanks for watching.